In this video, I'm going to be talking about order types. So these are ways to enter your trades. So we've got market execution, and then you've got your pending orders, which are your limit orders and your stop orders. So market execution, fairly simple, straightforward. This is where you enter into the market immediately as soon as you press the buy or the sell button. Now, of course, you would have to do your proper risk management, make sure you knew where your stop loss was, where your take profit was, what your lot size was. But as soon as you press that button, you will be entered into a trade. And then we have the pending orders. So pending orders are used when price isn't quite at a position you want to enter, but you don't want to, or maybe you haven't got time to sit and watch the chart waiting for price to get to your area of interest. So what you can do is place an order which instructs your broker of when you want to be entered. You still use your risk management and putting in your stop loss and your take profit levels as well. So just to go over these pending order types, we've got limit orders and we've got your stop orders. So we'll start with the left at the top. We've got your buy limit. So this is where your order is placed below where current price is, hoping for it to trigger an entry and then reverse to head upwards. So if you just look at the dotted lines, I've just simulated where current price position would be when placing these orders. So the green line is the position of your pending order. So price is currently above where your order is. You're expecting it to come down, knock you in, and then reverse and just head back up again. So just think of it as a boomerang. And then the same, but the reverse, we've got the sell limit. So this is where your order is placed above where current price is, hoping for it to trigger entry and reverse to head down. So, price is hovering around, you're expecting it to head up a bit first, hit your entry, and then go down. And then moving on to the stops, we've got your buy stop. So this is where your order will be placed above the current price, and you are hoping for it to pass through and keep on moving. So this is good for if you were trading, if you were expecting, say, price to break out and you wanted to catch that move, but maybe you couldn't sit at the computer. So you would put that entry in, expecting price to kind of come up, hit you in, and just keep going up because obviously you're in a buy. And then finally, we have your sell stop. So this is where, so it's the same as your buy stop, but in reverse. So this is where your order is placed below current price, hoping for it to pass through and keep moving down. All right, so I'm just going to show you where the order types are if you're using MT4 trading platform, and I'm going to give you an example of one limit order and one stop order as well. So you would come up here to new order, and here where it says type, you've got your market execution, which means that if I was to press buy or sell, I'd be straight in the market. And you've got your pending orders as well. So your pending orders, remember those 4 types. We've got buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop in a buy limit. All right. So because it's a buy limit, remember that boomerang, I'm going to be placing price below the current price because I'm expecting it to kind of come down, react, and retrace and head up. All right. So what you need to do is you need to identify, of course, your levels, but we're just going to put any numbers in for now just to give you an example. So price is at 1.18822. So see, I'm going to put it down here at 1.18450. So you put your price in here, 1.8450. And then my stop loss, because you're expecting price to go up, you need your stop loss below your entry, all right? So below this point, but you would know exactly where you would have your stop loss. You wouldn't just pull out numbers out of the air anyway. So you've got 1.18354. And then take profit, we'll just say, we'll go for this one here. So once you've got everything set, you've done your proper correct risk management, you know what lot size you're using, you just press place, and there you have it. So that is your pending order, your buy limit order. So remember, that's my order, and it's currently below where current price is. and I'm hoping for it to trigger, turn, and head up to my take profit. If it goes the wrong way, my stop loss is here. But this is just an example, so I haven't done any analysis. It's just for a visual for you to help you understand. And then if you want to delete this, because remember, pending orders doesn't mean you're in a trade, so you can delete it at any time, and you can delete it by just right clicking on the order itself, delete, or you can right click down here. This is where all the trades go. So you can say buy limit, and then you press modify or delete, and you can delete it. And you know that it's not entered because, I mean, you can see it's not there yet, but you would see your money placed here, moving up and down. So let's delete this for now, and we'll do one stop. Okay, pull this down a bit, just maybe that big. So same again, I'm going to do a stop order. So let's say price, you know, I wanted to put in a trade for, say, a breakout, or price was kind of like shooting in one direction. I want to catch it. What I can do is go to pending orders again, and because it's heading down, let's just say a sell stop, yeah. So pop a sell stop in there, and I'm going to go with. Remember, I'm just pulling these out with thin air, which you would never do. And then the stop loss, because you're expecting it to sell go down, your stop loss has to be above your entry. And then because you're expecting it to go down, your take profit is lower than your entry. And then you obviously correct lot size and press place. And that is your stop order. And obviously it's really close, so like I said, it's just to show you how you would do it. So I'm expecting, say, price to come down. I will be entered when it hits this level, and then hoping it to go down, or if it retraced, this is where my risk is, this is where it would take me out. So I hope that helped you understand it a little bit better, seeing it on the chart. But of course, TFT, we're a team, so if anybody has any questions, of course, please reach out.